Well, good morning, TYG viewers. We are at Lake Catherine State Park. We are not staying here, although it is a beautiful park from what we've seen so far. But since we're in the hot springs area, we decided to come over here and see what it's about. Maybe do some hiking, maybe stay here in the future.
Maybe. Who
Yeah,
knows?
you never know, I guess. But yeah, so we've already come back here towards the hiking area of the park.
It's very popular because there's like no parking available. So apparently there's lots of people hiking the trails today, which is it's quite chilly today.
Even on this gloomy, kind of misty, cold day. So, well, let's go see what all these trails are about.
Look at puppers. There's lots of puppers around here.
Cold. Lana and I were just discussing on the way into the park. I wonder what these woods look like when it's not dormant. All these trees are leafless. I guess all the fall leaves have already fallen. We're in winter over here in Arkansas. Man, the woods are pretty thick, so.
I bet it's really pretty like in the beginning of fall, you know, right when the leaves are changing.
Yeah, I bet it is. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is freaking gorgeous in here. Just listen to this sound. I'm not gonna say anything.
Made it. You said that if I fall, you're leaving me, so I gotta be very careful.
$10 if you walk across that log.
Absolutely not.
Oh, come on.
No. That dog is living his best life over there.
Well, I think we are coming up on the Lake Catherine Waterfall. This is kind of the point everyone comes to look at on this trail. And there's a lot of people here congregated, but man, I can tell it's gonna be gorgeous.
And I can reach you.
Ooh, that waterfall was pretty awesome. Of course it was. There's a million people there trying to see it too. But it was a beautiful waterfall. This is probably the most beautiful trail that we've done so far in our Texas Young Guns careers. I wonder how many more times I can say beautiful on this trail. Guys, look how blue the water is. We don't have that in Texas. Our water is all brown and nasty looking.
But this would be fun to go swimming in the summer. Not now though.
Yeah. You can tell the lake sometimes gets a lot higher. You can see the bank over there.
Lakes are low just like ours are.
Yep. Lord, here's a, what do you call these? What kind of bridges are these? They're the kinds that hang by ropes or chains.
This is like my biggest fear in elementary school playgrounds.
Well, I'll let you go first because I love you.
Oh God. Oh.
I'll never play some of it.
Oh God.
Hope you make it. Alright. Oh Lord. So creaky. It's doing some moving. Ooh. Made it.
Scared, wasn't it?
Were you secretly hoping to get an insurance check? But we have made it out of the trail just in time because it's starting to sprinkle. And it's cold, so sprinkle is bad.
Yeah. Oh, look at that RV.
I mean, we're gonna check out the rest of the park in case we want to stay here in the future. So
Yeah, we want to come back when the bathhouses are open.
yeah. So let's check out the rest of the park. Neat cabins that you can stay in here on the lake. And by the way, the lake is very low. We hadn't already said that. Well, we got our picture with the sign, of course, because, you know, we're tourists. But, man, this park is awesome. We're going to consider staying here next time we come up in this area, for sure.
Yep.
Yep.
Pretty reasonable, full hookups.
What was it, like 35?
It's like 36 a night for the waterfront.
Yeah, and like she said, it has full hookups, which is unusual for a state park, at least in Texas.
Yep.
So, yeah, what a cool place. We definitely enjoyed it, and we'll definitely be back for sure.
Yeah. I think I'd like to do the 4.5 mile trek that was closed because it's hunting season. Maybe we can come back, we can do that one.
Oh Lord, you might have to let me know how that went.
Eat your Wheaties.
Yeah, I eat my Wheaties that morning. Well guys, hope you enjoyed that video, and if you liked it, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Made it!